button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Hey yo, chill, yo, be on the track, It's OP on the track, hey. Do what I want, when you do it, y'all, these niggas be bluffing. My crew in the front, there's so many ones that we not with nothing. You coming to what? If it's Lydia Sus, you know that we got this and don't gotta stun. We turn the shit up, yeah, we gotta jump in. I do what I want, when you do it, y'all, these niggas be bluffing. My crew in the front, there's so many ones that we not with nothing. You coming to what? If it's Lydia Sus, you know that we got this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am barefaced today because I'm doing a package unboxing. And I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do makeup or not, but I'm not. So I ordered three things from this company, but the package is a little more full than what I ordered, so I think it's more stuff in here. Plus, I know the CEO of the company, so I'm almost positive there's more things in here than what I ordered. But I did want to come on here barefaced because I wore makeup in my last video, and yo, with pregnancy, I just woke up and like all of this is like covered in pimples and it's like a lot. So I didn't want to aggravate my skin anymore. But I did get my hair done, so you know my hair is done in this video. Not the little curly ponytail. So today I am opening a package from flawsnallbeauty. Her mailers are pink because pink's her favorite color. It says thank you on the package, and it has address and all that stuff. I didn't open it, as you guys can see, like it's not open. She asked me earlier that I open it. I told her I was gonna open it on camera, and I should have gotten something else to open it with because these bubble mailers be so annoying. So as I'm fighting to open this, because my hands are also really greasy, I don't know. As I'm fighting to open this, CEO, her name is Shanae Adams. We met in beauty school, and you know, she started her business. It took her a while, like everybody else, to kind of decide where and what direction they want to go. But okay, it's open. I got it open. So. Oh, I see stuff. So the first thing I'm pulling out is my invoice, which I bought. I remember buying. I bought her rose water toner, and two of her pressed highlighters, the pure white and the 24K. So the invoice looks like this. The invoice looks like this. It has email address and stuff on the top. Okay. Then here we pull out. Oh yeah, this is other stuff. And then I pull out this packaging, which is really cute. I see the rose water toner in here. I don't know what these are. And then there's candy. She's so cute. So there's candy in here. I'm gonna just take the candy out. It's a lot of candy. So this is the rose water toner, which actually has real rose petals in it, which I think is really cute. I know the roses makes the water turn the dark color that it is. So I'm excited for that. It smells good. I'm glad I did get barefaced. I'm going to clip my hair away. And then I'm going to actually spray the rose water toner on my face. My face is bare again. I have nothing on it. Smells good. Okay. So it smells great. It's not sticky. Me with like flowers and stuff, like that's what she uses actual rose petals. I thought it would be sticky, but it's not. So then next, I think I know exactly what this is. Yes, so this is her Hyperpigmentation oil that I have been asking her for forever. So she actually told me about this because of the fact that I'm glad I'm bare-faced. I have dark marks and stuff around here. This one is new. Pregnancy's killing me. Then I have some on my forehead here. This side is pretty clear, and then my face has these days where it's like clear one day, not clear the next, clear one day. So I'm glad I toned because I did wash my face prior. I am going to. This smells really good. It has like a lavender scent to it. Because I'm trying it for the first time, I'm gonna put like 2 squirts in my hand, and then I'm going to just rub it in my face. Okay, so while I'm still rubbing it, I'm doing my neck too because I have issues like on the bottom of my neck. While I'm still rubbing this in though, it goes on really smooth. It is an oil, so I probably could have only used 1 squirt. It smells amazing. Again, it smells good. I'm picking up lavender. I'm picking up lemon and lavender. I could be wrong. Probably gonna add that later. But I'm definitely picking up lavender and lemon. Okay. Hands, because I have some left over. So this is her Hyperpigmentation oil. Finally. And then, okay, this is her rose lip gloss. Wait, let me check her website to make sure that this is the rose lip gloss. And before I get into, like, her website is flawsnallbeauty. So when you put it in your phone, it'll come up like this. And then you just kind of scroll through for all the different things. I don't even think she put this on the website yet. No, I don't think she put this on the website. I'm just double checking to see if this one is on her website. Yeah, I'm out of breath. I'm so sad. No, this one's not on her other one. So she has a shimmer rose lip gloss and a lip oil. But this is the rose lip gloss, I'm guessing, because there's no shimmer in it. Well, it's a little bit of shimmer, but then again, she knows I don't really like glitter. So I'm gonna this smells good too. Smells like cotton candy. So I'm actually gonna put these back in here because I don't like to lose stuff, and so I can get it in my room. So that was the first set of things that I pulled out. There's more in the package. I did order the rose toner though, and then all right, this is what I was looking for. So this is her business card. She does send the packages with the business card, and this is the back of the business card. Okay, so the business card does say Flaws and All Beauty, Sinead Adams, licensed cosmetologist. You can email her at flawsnallbeauty@gmail.com. And then on the back it has her Facebook, which is Flaws and All Beauty. Her Instagram, Flaws and All Beauty 2017, because I believe 2017 is when she originally came up with the idea of the name. And then it has the website, which is www.flawsnallbeauty.com. Everything will be in the description bar below. Then I have another little bubble wrap. This one is so tiny. And by the way, pink is her favorite color. Hence for called pink. Pink is definitely her favorite color. It's definitely greasy now with opening, but no, it's on my face. Okay, so in here we have the highlighters, which is, this one is pure white. This is the pure white highlighter, and then this is the 24K highlighter. And I am swatch it. So this is the 24K on my finger, and then I'll swatch it here and here. They're really smooth, like it's going on really smooth. I'm not losing a lot either. My arm. If I would have did a full face of makeup, this would have been better. And then this is the pure white swatch for my finger. This is pure white on my arm. So they're both really like soft and creamy and smooth. So they go, I can tell they're gonna go on. Let me see. Well, of course you're not gonna see it now because I don't have a brush. But I can tell they're gonna go on really, really smooth when I do put them on. So my next video, I just may be using them. So again, in the package you get your purchase and your invoice. I think I don't do that. You purchase your invoice and a business card. And she does put thank you stickers on the packaging. So there's your thank you. Excuse my nails, I need to get my nails done. And then she sends candy, which is a good, you know, little treat, pick me up for the kids. And the shipping was pretty fast. Again, she is my friend, so I do know her personally. And, you know, just like me, she has a small business. And what kind of friend would I be if I'm expecting all my friends to support my business and I don't support theirs? So I've been telling her for a while I was gonna order some things. Because I know when she first started with her lip glosses, I have, I believe, 3 or 4 of them. Well, now I probably have 4. So I believe I've got 3 from her before. And then this one that she just gave me today. Well, yeah. So if you guys would like to purchase or just check out her website, actually we can scroll through her website together. So okay, so you type in flawsnallbeauty.com into your search bar, and then it pops up like this. Can't see, but it pops up like this, and then you just scroll up and it'll show you the majority of like the products. And then this is her, she's the CEO, and at the bottom it says lady behind the gloss. I'm Shanae, and welcome 27-year-old mommy, entrepreneur. I am also a licensed cosmetologist, and I love everything beauty. Let's embrace our raw beauty. Sorry. And then it has like the sugar lip scrubs, lip glosses. So the one she started off with was Flawless, Not So Clear, Honeybee, Boo Thing, Henny, and Purple Rain. I know for a fact I have, I believe, Flawless, Boo Thing, and I know I have Henny. I definitely have Henny. I had to get Henny. And then she shows you her sugar lip scrubs here. So these are the first lip glosses, and then the sugar lip scrubs here. And they are Sugar Baby, Cake by the Pound, and Dirty Sprite. And then it's like another picture of them here. And then this is her body shimmer, which I have this one as well. I believe this one is Honeybee. And then her mission statement: my mission is to embrace all shades and shapes, not to change a thing, but to embrace raw beauty. So you guys can sign up for her email newsletter, her mailing list, subscribe so that you know you guys kind of know what's going on with new products she has coming. Then if you scroll back to the top and click the little back to the top and click the little address at the top, it's like home, show me everything, lip scrub collection, signature collection, Pink Friday collection, skincare collection, shimmer body oil. And then she does wholesale. So anyone who is looking into creating your own lip gloss line for maybe yourself, maybe a child, she does offer wholesale. And I'm trying to find it for you guys so I can tell you the prices for the wholesale. Y'all, I be looking so dull without makeup on. But in my defense, I am pregnant. I'm super tired. She does do the satin and silk. Yeah, the satin and silk hair scrunchies, which I think are pretty decent. She has shimmer sprays as well. So the wholesale wand tubes start at $65, which is not bad. The squeeze tubes are $65 as well, which is pretty good because you have options as well. So yeah, this video is probably all over the place. I know you guys are probably like, what the hell? So you guys all shop Flaws and All Beauty. She does hair as well, but I believe you have to be local to get your hair done. She does lashes also. She does individual strip lashes. The individual lashes. Y'all know what I mean, lash extensions. The beauty card, the business card says it all. She's a licensed cosmetologist. Basically, you know, trying to help us, well, yeah, us women and men, because she has a men's beard oil as well. You know, just kind of embrace our inner beauty and have popping lips while we at it. So everybody shop Flaws and All Beauty. I will also put the website down here on the screen down here, maybe across my face somewhere. But yeah, you guys go shop and support, and see you guys in my next video.
So many ones that win out with nothing. Coming to what? If it's lit yourself, you know that we got this and don't gotta start. We turn the shit up, yeah, we gotta jump in.